Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Northfork at Legacy Ranch, and we're walking into the pool. So the pool is here. This is what the pool looks like, and just kind of showing off. It's rather a big pool, frankly. Very, very big pool. You can see there's some beautiful places to swim, of course. There's a lot of chairs. There's a lot of, I like this too. This is like 4 inches of water with a little waterfall, and you've got chairs in this water too. Very, very beautiful. And then you've got some more pool over here too. Isn't this just gorgeous? It's a really, really pretty pool. It does have some grilling stations over here too. The grilling stations over here are very cool. 1, 2, you can see some people are kind of cleaning, for the week. And then there's also some areas just to kind of watch TV. This is super, super pretty. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's surrounded by buildings over here. So the next building that we're actually going to go to is over here. This is building 9. Inside building 9 is our first model, but it also is a fitness center. So we're gonna check that out right now. If you have any questions at any time, anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.